Here I have LeTV L1S, and let me show you how to insert your Nano SIM on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's slide to power off. Now let's open the following slot located at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open this slot by using some kind of the paper pin or special eject tool. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole slot from your device, and here you can insert two cards. The micro SIM card right here or Nano SIM card. You can use your device as dual SIM. In my case, let me use just one Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put the whole thing into your device and press it to the end. Now all you need to do is simply press power key to switch on the device and check out if your device is working correctly with your SIM card. So let's keep holding power key, let's wait a few seconds. That's it. Now let's unlock the screen. Let's here find and select settings. As you can see, here you can tap dual SIM and you can read the information about your SIM card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.